Right, so how do we go about making the alien chestbuster neep? Well, get a neep in a pumpkin, an assortment of tools, and this is what we're going to make. So get yourself a wee neep. It can't be a big neep, because they get very big pumpkins in Scotland. Right, we're needing a mouth shape. Make sure what it looks like sitting on top of that login. These nails are going to be the teeth. They're a bit chooked to put in, so I made wee holes first, and even then they were chooked to put in. Got one in, but Jesus, just wouldn't go in. So use a tool. I'm not sure how many teeth an alien has, but just put in however many you fancy. Fiddly kind of job. Just put a draft in here. Right, I got this cheap skeleton bug for B&M or somewhere. £3 I think. I'd use its legs to put some spooky legs on my alien. Just push them in and wire around. Sticking in the other side. Here we go. Now he's got legs for pointing at things. We need a bit of pipe to go inside the login to get a bit of strength, and also something to attach the neep onto. There we go. At a wee angle, so looks like he's coming up out. That's this pipe login. Get that spot, eh? And get a hot glue gun. The glue didn't actually stick to the neep very well. And I thought, right, I'll make some random shapes on the login just to get a bit of interest, you know. It was supposed to be the shapes of the line, but some rope. Could be like spines or something, that's what I was thinking. I was just making it up as I went along. And the glue was half a hot. And a bit of tape. It's just masking tape. You could see some of the shapes through it, it was not too bad. And the masking tape will also give me something to glue to it. Touch the glue in my fingers, hot as F-N-L. Right, a couple of bits of rubbery hose I thought would look cool, and I just used the glue to mark shapes. Could be veins, just random, whatever aliens have alien neeps. And then more hot glue, stick the head on a bit chooker. Thought, oh, it needs a couple of more legs. You can never have too many legs when you're an alien. Helps to run about. Here we go. Looking good. I'll get my all paint out because I'm an artist again. So, bit of yellow, bit of purple, just the usual. Not too bad. Red for a blood you can. It's going to be scary. Don't know if pumpkins actually have blood, but right, get the pumpkin, square the bottom side, scoop his insides out, mark the hole for his alien's going to come out his guts. burst out. As I said, just mark it up as you go along. Probably the messier the better. Don't want to make it too loose or it wouldn't abide in. And cut the eyes out. Thought I better put pupils on because I think I buggered up the eyes. Just to fit for his eyes and try and make him look good. Cheap skeleton, ripped his arms off. Stuck them in the side. A quick test. Looks bonny. Right, get it downstairs and use the stuff you scooped out and just chuck it over the top. Look how nice that is. Imagine having your dinner and that's your centerpiece. Oh, just lovely. And that's how you mark it. Neep burst out of the guts of a pumpkin. I've left it outside. We'll see how it deteriorates in the rain. Hopefully it'll look even cooler. Thanks for watching.